everybody. Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me and my furry sidekicks. If you are new, I'm Laura. That's Zena. That's Wyatt. And we are so happy you're here and hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe. That allows me to keep on creating content for you. Today, I am back with a Cupshe sponsored video, which is bringing all the tropical vibes and makes me want to throw these things in a suitcase, drive directly to the airport, and get on the first plane headed somewhere Caribbean, tropical, palm trees, anywhere like that. All right, if you are not familiar with Cupshe, it is a Santa Monica brand started in 2015, and it used to be a swimsuit company. I think that's how they got started. However, they don't just have swimsuits anymore. They have dresses, they have clothing of all sorts, they have cover-ups, and they have amazing swimsuits. So it covers the gamut. If you need it, they probably have it on their site. I picked some gorgeous dresses and a skirt to share with you today, including this amazing romper that I'm excited to share. Their price points are in the affordable range. Of course, I do have a discount code for you as well, and we're gonna have some fun today. I will share with you that they do have swimwear for every body, and they have started extended size offerings. So keep that in mind. They have wedding dresses now as well. So if you're looking for a beach wedding dress and you don't want to spend a fortune, check out their wedding dresses. They are simply beautiful. And in 2023, for spring, this is the first time they have had a recycled fabric line as well as biodegradable packaging. Everything I'm going to show you today comes in sizes small to extra large. And as I mentioned, I do have a discount code for you, which we'll get to in just a minute. So let's get started with the first item I have on. And this is called the Tropical Leaf Belted Romper. I feel like this is such a fun vacation look or just summer look in general, spring, summer. You have so much fun with this. Pack it, wear it, put it over a bathing suit, wear it as your day look, wear it as your evening look, depending on your shoes. This one is a small that I'm wearing right now. I do have extra room in it. It has kind of that kimono sleeve to it. I put on a half cami underneath it just because I didn't want it to hang too low, but you can see here this is a modesty snap. It does have the belt. It's easy to get on and off because it's loose fitting, which it's meant to be. Because the armholes were wider and the fit, I just put the half cami on myself, but you could go bralette instead. Or if you just have your bathing suit on, that would work also. I like that it's wider here along the widest part of your leg. No pockets here. A belt, I have it tied on the side. And how about these colors? So fun, right? So fun. And I will tell you, this one came, in the packaging, and it was not wrinkled at all. I was able to just put it right on for you. I didn't have to really put this one in the dryer or anything. This one felt really good just straight out of the packaging. So much fun. Let me know what you think. I love it. I like that it creates kind of this blousey look. It does have elastic here under the belt. All right, so this one is $29.99 is the regular price. And as I said, I do have a discount for you, which is box 15 is my code, box 15. But of course, I'll put all my links and everything else down below for you. Box 15 will work site-wide, and you'll get 15% off the entire site as long as you spend $65. So if you spend $65 or more, you'll get 15% off. So all you need to do then, how about add your favorite beach bag and head straight to the beach or shopping. This will have all your necessities, and look how cute. You're ready to go. I love this look. I'm ready for a getaway. How about you? Next up, how about this sleeveless maxi dress? This is a fun little knit. It's stretchy. It's in this great blue color, perfect for packing or just for hanging out at home because it's so super comfy. I am 5'5" for reference, and this hits me right at my ankle, so not too long. I can wear it with bare feet or flip-flops if I wanted to. Would also be great over a bathing suit after a long day at the pool or at the beach, and you just want to throw this on top and then go to dinner. I love this in its simplicity. It's fitted here through the top, and then you have plenty of room here at the bottom. All the items I'm going to be showing you are a size small, so keep that in mind. So this is a size small. It fits under the arms, which I like, and not too low. And I like the V-neck. So I picked all these items though, so I'm going to like them. Keep in mind, these are my choices. Love the V-neck. But this color is simply pretty, reminds me of ocean water. And then the flowiness of this is just so pretty. And this one is called the V-neck sleeveless maxi dress, and it is $27.99 regular price. For this one, you could choose a cute little crossbody or a little clutch, depending on what you're doing. And off you go. You're ready to go. Next up, how about this one shoulder number? This one is so comfy. It has this totally smocked top, which I enjoy. It pops up a little bit here in the front, just to make sure you have coverage. Very comfortable. So even though it's one shoulder, you don't feel like it's going to fall down. It just stays in place. The waist smocking ends right about here, so high waist, and then has this beautiful tiering. And how about the color and pattern in this? Beautiful. Just beautiful. Here's the back. So keep in mind, again, this is a small that I'm wearing. I love this. Here's all this smocking. Love the colors in this. I have to like flatten my shoulder just a little bit there for you guys. I think it's puckering straight out of the package. There we go. But I love this. Such a pretty piece and so simplistic. And once again, you know, grab your little bag and off you go for your day, or you could certainly turn this into an evening look as well. So pretty. This one is called the, I'm gonna wake up Zena, Floral One Shoulder Smocked Maxi Dress. $34.99 is the regular price. Next up is this Floral V-neck maxi dress. This one is so pretty. So this one skims the body and doesn't get wider till it passes the hip, which gives it such a nice, pretty look. Hits me right above the ankle. It does have a zip up here on the side, and then check out the back. How fun is that? So it ties at the top, and then it's all open, which gives it a really fun, dramatic look in the back, right? So I love this. Another one that would just be great for day or evening, depending on how you style it, or would just transition nicely from day into evening. I love this because you could throw a jean jacket on it, or you could throw a pretty moto or a cardigan. You could throw a white jean jacket. It would just go with so many things. And I love that it has the tan running through it as well, which I'll get closer and show you. But so, so pretty. So pretty. Here's the back again. And this one, as I mentioned, is the floral print V-neck maxi dress, $24.99 regular price. I love the body skimming. And keep in mind, this one is a small, so I think this would be probably the right size. So for many of these, I think Some of them I probably could maybe size down would be okay, but the size small is also okay. So keep that in mind whenever you are ordering for things that are a little bit more slimming through the hip and thigh. You might want to go with a size up just to be careful. Like this one, I would never go, you can't go down anyway for me. Like I can't go to an extra small, it starts in a small. So these are small through extra large. But if you have an option in your sizing, keep that in mind, because I would not be able to go smaller with this particular style because there's not extra room in the hip and thigh area. Whereas something like this has a ton more room and I could have considered it. Just wanted to point that out. And we still have more outfits. I had to share a short option with you as well, since I've been sharing so many long dresses. Had to get a shorter option in there. How about this one for bringing all kinds of tropical vibes to you? I love this. I love the little ruffly bottom. I love the pattern. This one has all these fancy straps. So there's 2 straps on both sides and they're adjustable. So you can put them wherever you need to put them to make sure that it fits you properly. This one again, also in a small, and it fits really nicely, but the straps being adjustable certainly helps immensely. But I love, love, love the colors in this. I love the flirty bottom and I love the back. There's nothing not to love. The length is perfect as well. It's not too short. It's right above the knee. You could again put this on over a bathing suit if you wanted to, but this would be great with your favorite topper and just wear it for a day of sightseeing or dinner. And then once the weather warms up, just wear it for lunch with friends at home. I love this. So hopefully you can see how the double straps here, and that's how it looks in the back. It does cross over, but this is all sewn, so you don't have to worry about anything popping. Love the palm leaves because I love a palm print, which is probably why I picked it. And here's that strapping in the back. And this one is called the Huron Lake Tropical Leaf V-neck dress, and it is $22.99. And then all of the items come in a little bag that looks like this. So they're all protected. It's a little Ziploc bag. So everything will come packaged in something like that. All right. I think I have 2 more outfits for you. All right, so I am loving the pattern and the greens and blues in this particular dress. This one is lined, so it does have a liner. It is a V-neck on both sides, as you can see, plus it has that tie at the top. It has a zipper on the back. Yeah, the zipper in the back in this one. That must fell on Zena. That would have really woke her up, and she's sleeping so peacefully. This one had a zipper on the side, I think I forgot to mention. So this one has a zipper on the side. This one's so nice and flowy, like it just makes you want to like move or dance, but catch the breeze as you walk on the ocean, on the beach near the ocean. Yeah, this one is, and it feels so nice on. So it just skims the body. Nothing is, you know, tight or feeling fitted. So this would also be nice if you had something where you're going to be outside and the weather's going to be super hot. This wouldn't be sticky or tacky. I feel like it would fit. It'd be a perfect outfit for that type of an event, patio event, outside event. Has a seaming right under the chest, all the way around. Here's that V-neck. Here's the back again. Love the colors in this. I did try to pick a variety for you, so you can see some of the different dresses. This one is the Oakley Tropical Leaf Print Maxi Dress, and $34.99 is the regular price. And this one has a lot of extra room in it. So this one is a small. I probably, if an extra small was available, I might have sized down, but because of the tie and everything, it's okay. And it seems like it's fitting just fine. But if you are typically a size medium, you might want to go to a small just to make sure that it, I would say if you're typically a size small, you might want to stick with the size small. Let me put it that way. Because I'm typically a size extra small. And this one is a small. But I would just read the size chart, which should help you be able to decide which one is right for you. All right, and we'll get to the very last item. Final item is this darling tiered maxi skirt. So this has an elastic waist, drawstring waist, which is real. So you can tighten or loosen as you see fit, but I didn't need it to pull it on. I just used the waistband. It has this awesome tiering. It hits me right about mid-calf. So much flow and movement in this, which I love. So breezy and light on the skin. You can easily pair this with anything. I just threw a black tank on to show it to you. But so much movement. I love it. You could wear this for work, for play, for weekend, for travel. It's just gorgeous. Get a little closer just so you can see this. And I love this color. The green is just great because it'll go with anything. It's basically a neutral. So you could add color or keep it neutral, go with white, go with tan, or really pop it with like a pink or a yellow. I love it. So I had to throw in a basic piece after all the funs, colors and pops. I thought this would be a great add to bring you as well. So this is called the Avery Drawstring Ruffled Maxi Skirt, $27.99. As I mentioned, all of these items I shared with you today come in small to extra large. And I will list all of them down below as well as the links. And if you use my code BOX15 and you spend $65 or more, you'll get 15% off site-wide. I love this outfit. You could add your favorite hat, grab your, a bag, and off you go for a fun day of lunch with friends, shopping, or whatever you like to do. Perfect, right? You can even add a jean jacket or whatever you need until the weather perfectly warms up. That's all my pieces. What did you think? What did you think? I had fun with this. I love this haul. This might have been my favorite one yet from Cupshe that I have shared with you. Although I do love their bathing suits and wear them all the time. So I'll be super excited to hopefully bring you one more bathing suit haul from Cupshe. The weather needs to warm up and I need to have a little bit of, be a little bit bathing suit ready, I should say. But I love these pieces. They all were gorgeous from, the knits the whole way to all of these amazing prints. I can't even pick a favorite. I really can't because I really like them all. So pretty, right? The romper is adorable. All right, you share your favorite with me down below. I can't wait to hear all the information, as I mentioned, down below. Hit that like before you go so I can keep doing this. Hit that subscribe and hang out for the long haul. I could really use the support. If you already have, a huge thank you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.